0 hour to your first dive on a dive boat. You planned, trained, and worked hard to be on the dock beside the dive vessel. If no one is on the ship, wait or ask the staff if it's okay to board. If there is already divers on the boat, then get on board. Now, where to sit? First, are you a sun or a shade person? This answer will point you to a direction of where you should sit. Second, be mindful that the back of a dive boat sometimes has a terrible diesel smell. That smell can set off motion sickness, so you might want to go in the cabin if you're prone to motion sickness. Finally, look for the safety equipment, H2O kit, first aid kit, fire extinguisher, and life preservers. If you can't see the equipment, ask someone to show you. If they can't show you the equipment, get off the boat. Now pick your place to sit. When you get to your seat, slide your bag underneath, pull out your octo and test the tank or tanks if it's a 2-tank dive. First, make sure the tanks have good pressure with no leaks. G does not put his BCD on the tank until I've checked the pressure on the tanks. Tanks get mixed up and you may have an empty at your spot. These steps completed, move on to the air test, CO2 or nitrox test. Once they're passed, put your BCD on the tank. Make sure you remove the tie-down strap from the boat as you put this on. Connect all of the octo and recheck the pressure. Put the tie-down strap back on the tank so that it is secure. If you have a weight integrated BCD, get your weights from your dive master. When you place your dive weights pockets in the BCD, make sure you snap the weight pockets back into the BCD firmly. I cannot emphasize this enough. Nothing kills a dive faster than a weight pocket falling out of your BCD. It also can cause a dangerous runaway dive situation. Next, take your dive computer and dive mask. Strap these to the chest strap of your BCD. Doing this procedure will keep your computer and your mask in a safe place and let you look at your gauges when you need to. Last, get your fins and wetsuit out and lay them on top of your dive bag under your seat. Talk to the dive master. See how long the boat will take to get to the dive site.
Now the dive site for this morning is called Chub reef. It's about 20-25 minutes away. Yes.
If it is hot and the dive site is a long boat ride away, don't put on your wetsuit until the dive master says. Stay cool. Keep your crap together. Dive boats are tight, and if you take up twice the space, no one will enjoy it. Above all, remember that every person on this boat was a first-time boat diver. So stay aware and talk to everyone. They all want you to succeed, and you will. Remember, never swim, snorkel, or dive alone. Never bother the wildlife, and only leave footprints in the sand when you leave. I hope you learned something today and every day. Click that like button and subscribe to the channel so you'll know when we post our next episode. And we'll see you here next time on Undersea G.